Welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll walk you through how to fix iPhone can't download apps. Here's how to fix iPhone can't download apps. First, check your internet connection. Ensure you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button plus the volume button. Slide to power off. Then turn on. Check Apple ID by going to Settings, Your Name, Media and Purchases, View Account. Make sure you're signed in. Check Available Storage. Go to Settings again, General, iPhone Storage. Ensure enough space for the app. Update iOS. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Install any updates. Check App Store restrictions. Go to Settings, Screen Time, Content and Privacy Restrictions, iTunes and App Store purchases, installing apps. Allow both installing apps, deleting apps, and in-app purchase. Sign out and back into App Store. Go to Settings, Your Name, Media and Purchases. Sign out, then sign back in. Clear App Store cache. Open App Store, tap any bottom tab 10 times quickly. App Store refreshes. Check payment method. Go to Settings again, Your Name, Payment, and Shipping. Enter a valid card or method. Reset network settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, then Reset network settings. Contact Apple support. If all else fails, go to Safari, contact Apple support, or visit an Apple store. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.